Good morning everyone. This is part 1 of class 2. In our previous class we have discussed about the Cartesian products of sets. Okay. In this session we are going to discuss some problems related to Cartesian products of sets. Okay. Let's start our session. Here we have given if x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3, then find the value of x and y. Okay, let's solve it. As we have discussed in the conventions of Cartesian product of sets, in an ordered pair, if two ordered pairs are equal, then the first term in the first ordered pair will be equal to the first term in the second ordered pair, and the second term in the first ordered pair will be equal to the second term in the second ordered pair. Okay, so here if these two ordered pairs are equal, then x by 3 plus 1 will be equal to the 5 by 3 and y minus 2 by 3 will be equal to the 1 by 3. Okay, let's solve these two equations. X by 3 equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. If we take LCM, 3, 5 minus 3 equal to x by 3, then x by 3 equal to 2 by 3, we can cancel 3, then x will be equal to 2. Okay, in this part y equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Okay, here we have given minus 2 by 3. If minus 2 by 3 will be shift to the right hand side of the equal sign, then it will be plus 2 by 3. Then we have to take LCM, then 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Okay, 3 by 3 equal to 1. Okay, here the value of x and y will be 2 and 1. Okay, I hope everyone should understood this problem. Okay, next we are going to discuss another problem. Okay, here we have given if set A has 3 elements and B equal to 3, 4, 5, then find the number of elements in A into B. Okay, let's solve it. Solution. Here we have given set A has 3 elements, so number of elements in set A equal to 3. Okay, and also given B equal to 3, 4, 5. Therefore, number of elements in B equal to also 3, 4, 5. That is 1, 2, 3. Also 3 elements. Okay, then we have to find the number of elements in A into B. Okay, that means we have to find number of elements in A into B. Okay, in conventions of Cartesian coordinate we have also discussed how to find the number of elements in A into B or A into B into C. Okay, we have a formula, n of A into B equal to what? N of A into number of elements in B. Okay, we have given n of A equal to, now that means number of elements in A equal to 3 and number of elements in B equal to 3. Okay, therefore A into B have total 3 into 3 equal to 9 number of elements. Okay, clear? Okay, now we are going to discuss another problem. Okay, here we have given if z equal to 7, 8 and h equal to 5, 4, 2, then find z into h and h into j. Okay, let's solve it. Okay, we have given z equal to 7, 8, okay, and h equal to 5, 4, 2. Okay, now first of all, therefore z into h will be, okay, first term will be 7, 5, 7, 5, next 7, 4, 7, 4, next 7, 2, okay, 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2, next term will be 8, 5, 8, 5, 8, 4, and 8, 2. Okay, here in each ordered pair, the first element will be the elements of z, and the second element will be the elements of h. Okay, similarly, if we have also given h, we have also find h into g. Okay, here the first element will be the elements of h. Therefore, our solution will be 5, 7. Okay, next 5, 8, and next 4, 7. Okay, next 4, 8. Okay, and then next 2, 7, and then 2, 8. Okay, this will be our solution. Okay, now we are going to discuss another problem. Okay, here we have given state whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the statement correctly. Okay, so our first question is, if p equal to m, n and q equal to n, m, then p into q equal to m, n, n, m. Okay, here the number of terms in p is equal to 2. Okay, and number of terms in q equal to 2. Okay, therefore in p into q there are 2 into 2 equal to 4 number of terms. Okay, but we have given only 1 and 2 number of terms. Okay, therefore this statement is, but this statement will be false. Okay, here the statement will be false because there should have 4 number of terms. Okay, therefore our solution will be p into q equal to, okay, to m, n, and next term will be m, m, and the next term will be n, n. Okay, and the last term will be n, m. Okay, this will be our answer. M, n, m, m, n, 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 m. Okay, got it? Okay, our next question will be, here we have given, if A and B are non-empty sets, okay, then A into B is a non-empty set of ordered pair x, y, such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Okay, suppose A and B are, we have given A and B are non-empty set. Okay, then their product will always be non-empty. Okay, that's true. And of order pair x, y, okay, therefore x must be belongs to A, such that x belongs to A, correct, and y must be belongs to b, then y belongs to b. Okay, therefore our solution will be what? True. Okay, and the next question will be, here we have given if a equal to 1, 2, okay, and b equal to 3, 4, then a into b intersection 5 equal to 5. Okay, this will be your homework. Okay, I hope everyone will understand all the problems that we have discussed in this session. Okay, if you guys have any doubts related to this session, you can ask me in my comment box. Okay, okay, our session is completed today. Okay, see you in the next class.